Double-Banded Plover, great little bird. They migrate from New Zealand to Australia after the breeding season in their summer. Spend the winter here, usually around small creeks and rivers on the sand flats. High tide they roost around the tops of those sand flats, and then they hide out in amongst all the debris. And very easy to approach actually, and good photo opportunities if you get the right light, low angle, the usual stuff. Anyway, I put together this little video, so I hope you enjoy it. It is interesting to see those little birds hopping around on one leg. When I first saw this behaviour, I thought they must have been missing a leg. But while they're roosting, they tuck one leg up, which a lot of waders often do, and when they move a short distance, they just prefer to hop. It's really unusual to watch. They're great little things. When they take to the air, they're fast. They pack tightly together, fly just above the water, and cover a great distance very, very quickly. Beautiful to watch in the air, but unfortunately very difficult to get with a video, so stills will have to do.